Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Itolo siboni video aya gogo Skhotseni la ifake lapha ku Instagram story yakhe la bekabhabhatiswa khona. Guys, ayikuthi gogo Skhotseni did announce ukuthi yena she's now born again, nganisweke phansi tindoda ebungoma. Yes, kube netinkulumo letiningi following announcement yakhe yokuyekela bungoma. Some people were dragging her bampita amagama bathi vele kudzala ayi-fake gobe la abantu abaningi nje guys bebamdraga ngendlela lesimanga bathi ma unyanga nje there is no way ukuthi ungathi wena sowushiya phansi nje ma une-calling ayikho nje indzaba yakho wena vele bekathwele yo guys bakhuluma all sort of nasty things about uSkhotseni, but wema egameni lakhe ukuthi mina sengishiye phansi ngisho noma ngabe nithini ngami mine manje ngirepentile ngihamba naNkulunkulu. So itole bambhabhatisa ngala bekabhedea kwi-birthday yakhe. So ubhalile njena laphana ku-story yakhe ku-Instagram asho kokuthi uyabonga ukuthi futhi lento lena ukhona kuyenda angilanga alatalwa ngayo. So labanye abantu guys they were happy for ugogo Skhotseni nje ngokuthi wekelile bungoma because they ukuthi vele sibanda asifani and asibelieve for entweni letifanayo. Some were really like genuinely happy for her basho ukuthi wende kahle because God is the way, ngisho ungayaphi but uNkulunkulu munye. So siyasho nje nathi ukuthi congratulations Mogela njengoba sobhabhatisiwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.